Today's an exciting day for us because we get to start painting. We started back here. Got this line that's going to transition from the black, flat black from the movie theater to the light gray of the snack bar. Not sure if it's going to work out too well, but if it doesn't, we can just paint over it. We're going to do that, paint the ceiling, paint the walls, get ready for carpet. I'm pretty sure everybody at some point has done this. You get excited, you start painting, you got your new colors, all that good stuff. But then when you start painting, you realize, I might have made a mistake on the colors. I'm not gonna make that decision yet, but This thing is coming out way darker than I thought it would. It's a movie room. I understand. We're gonna want it to be dark. We want the screen to pop when we watch movies, stuff like that. But it is way dark. I'm gonna give you a little idea of how much darker it gets as you transition from the light tans and the whites over to the dark grays and blacks. Now it is a bright, sunny day outside. The recess lighting in the theater, they're all on, all 6 4-inch recess lights. Then we'll slowly pan. There's my little busted sheetrock. There's the snack bar. Black ceiling. We transition. Partially painted doors. Stairwell still tan. Come on around. Huge difference. When the camera angle goes all the way to the black and the gray is not dried yet, but the black and the dark gray, huge difference. So now I look at this and hope, boy, I hope we didn't make a mistake. One thing I've really been enjoying is after we tore all these walls down for the bathroom, both bedrooms, and all that, is how much light comes through these windows. And it's great. Well, now I'm gonna blacken it out. Well, that's the original plan. If we absolutely hate everything about the theater, we can always change it, go back to something else. I don't think we're gonna hate it. It's just sometimes when you do this much work to a house, at least I do, I question myself. So let's see how it goes. So I've completed all the rolling of the walls in the theater of the cracked pepper paint. I just want to say I cannot say enough about this Marquee paint. Not getting paid for this, but let me tell you, I have had my fair share of cheaper paints over the years. Watery, too runny, makes a mess. This stuff here, it's expensive, but I'm a mechanic. My wife, she works in driver accounting at her job. We're not rich people. But we decided to pony up some money, get the best paint from Home Depot, and it works really well. Now, you know when the lady says, what kind of paint you want? Good, better, best? I went ahead and said best. It scared me. Had a little knot in my stomach, but it was worth it. We love this paint. Now, like I said before, this is really dark paint. I have no idea how my wife is gonna react. So here's what we're gonna do. With the coronavirus going on, she's working 3 days a week out of the house, and 2 days out of the week she has to go into the office. Today she's in the office. Normally she gets to come in and check on things, see how I'm doing, see if she likes things. Well, she's gonna be gone all day today, so this whole cave now has been painted without her being here. So I don't know, we may have to change colors. Here's what I'm gonna do. She's gonna react one of 2 ways, mostly. If she likes it, she's gonna walk in and she's gonna go, babe. If I get the babe, I know I did good. She might not see babe, she may just say, oh wow, I really like it. Which means it's not 100% that she likes it, but it's good enough that she likes it. But if she comes in and she goes, puts her hand on her chest, kind of looks around, and then does a little thinking pose, then it's bad. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna wait till she gets home, and I'm gonna do some more painting and work, stuff like that. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set the camera up before she gets home, and I'm gonna film her reaction so we can see if she's really gonna like this or not. Okay? So. I made it just under the wire. Tanya's on her way home. We'll see what she thinks when she comes in, but it sure is dark in here. Man, look at that. Both windows are done just under the wire. It might have taken me 20 minutes total time to put both of those up. No big deal. Another thing I forgot to mention, your window is also still functional. You can, uh-oh. Oh, she's here. Hang on. Let me set the camera up. I hear the garage door. I'm gonna go get her. Our doors look funny because I haven't done all the black around the trim and everything. That's obviously not how it's gonna look when it's done. Be right back. Alright. No, she's still in this chair. Stop right there. Okay, now you can look. Wow. And move this out of the way so you can do. Ready?
Wow. That's cool.
Whew. So you do like it?
Yeah.
All right, good.
Look at all that thing.
Oh, I know it. We passed. Scared to death, but she likes it.
It's good. I like it.
Okay. All right. As you can see behind me, the wall stripe is finally done, we hope. Now the terrifying part is going to be taking the tape off to see if we have clean lines. Hopefully the tape doesn't take some of the paint with it. So let's check it out. Well, we couldn't be more happy with this stripe. We've got a few little touch-up spots where the tape took some of the Sherwin-Williams ceiling paint off. That's no big deal. We can tape both sides, do a quick little swipe across there, pull the tape off immediately, be good to go. But man, for a couple of amateur painters, I think it looks pretty good. We wanted a nice transition, kind of modern looking, and to tie in all the different colors. I think that's what we've got.